Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your biggest social media account has disappeared. No followers, no posts, no audience, years of work gone overnight. Would your business survive? For many people, that's a frightening question. We've been taught to believe that more followers automatically mean more success. 100,000 followers must be better than 10,000. A million followers must mean you've made it. But here's the surprising truth. Followers are borrowed. Relationships are owned. Think about the biggest businesses in the world. Very few depend on a single platform to survive. They have email subscribers, communities, customer databases, loyal clients, people who choose to hear from them no matter which app they're using. That's a completely different kind of audience. Social media is incredibly powerful. It helps people discover you, but discovery isn't the same as connection. Algorithms change, platforms evolve, reach goes up and down. Every creator has experienced posting something they believed was great only to watch it reach a fraction of their audience. That's because the platform owns the relationship, not you. The businesses growing the fastest understand this difference. They use social media as a bridge, not as the destination. Every helpful video, every valuable post, and every useful piece of content encourages people to take one small step closer. Join the newsletter, subscribe to the YouTube channel, visit the website, become part of a community. Those are relationships that aren't controlled by an algorithm. Think about your favorite creator. Why do you keep coming back? Probably not because of one viral video. You return because you've built trust over time. You know what to expect. You value their perspective. That's a relationship. And relationships don't disappear when one platform changes its algorithm. This lesson applies to every business. A local real estate agent, a consultant, an online coach, a small business owner. The goal isn't simply to collect followers. The goal is to build a community of people who trust you enough to keep listening wherever you go. That's the real asset. Followers can disappear overnight. Trust usually doesn't. So the next time you're measuring success, don't ask only how many followers you have. Ask something much more important. If every social media platform disappeared tomorrow, how many people would still know where to find you? Because businesses aren't built on followers. They're built on relationships. And relationships are the one audience no algorithm can take away. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more documentaries exploring business psychology, branding, AI, and the hidden reasons successful businesses grow. Thanks for watching.